All right, what's going on, guys? So this is what I'm eating today, okay? So this is what I'm eating today. So I had went to Costco earlier. So we bought a pack of ribeyes, you know, because if you ask me, like, don't get me wrong, I don't really eat out too much. I love going to steakhouses. That's my thing, you know. Ribeye, that's my cut of meat. You know, that's what I like to eat. But it be overrated, bro. Every once in a while it's cool, right? Don't get me wrong. Every once in a while it is cool, but it be overrated, bro. It be overrated. You know, I got some it be overrated, bro. One piece of meat be like $60. You know, it's expensive, so it's better. I mean, it's more work, you know, because you gotta put the grill on, this and that. But I think it's just better to eat at home, you know, because you get a bunch of meat. And at the store, it's cool. Like I said, every once in a while, it's good to go. You know, it's good to go out with the family. But one piece of meat out there, bro, it'd be like, it'd be like $60, bro, where you could just buy the whole pack of ribeye. You know what I mean? So we got some ribeyes. We got some, what is it called? Kebabs. So that's ribeye. You know, you got the bell pepper, the onion, and yeah. Also too, homemade mashed potatoes, bowl of fruit, a little asparagus, and then my girl got two chunky pieces of meat, right, over there on the grill for me. So, but this also too, I am at a 22-hour fast, right? I'm at a 22-hour fast because I checked it. I checked it before I started this video, right? So this how I'm eating, bro. I try to eat clean, bro. Well, no, I don't try to eat clean. I eat clean. I eat clean. I don't mess around, bro. I don't be out there messing around, bro. None of that stuff, bro. You know what I mean? So, yeah. You know, the ribeye be juicy, bro. It's juicy. And it's the fattest cut of meat. And yeah, this is what I'm gonna eat today. Earlier I did a video. I hope you guys check it out. It is like pretty much when I take the day off from working out, I gotta do something, bro. Like, I'll do like, cause don't get me wrong, like for whatever reason, or not even for whatever reason, right? Cause I have been switching it up on the workout, you know, especially since I've been doing like, you know, the weighted vests and the weights and stuff like that, you know. Even though it's lightweight, you know, I be hitting that junk like every day, you know. I be hitting that thing like every day. So you know, I be feeling it sometimes, you know. I'm not gonna lie, I be feeling it sometimes. And lately I've been feeling it, but I be out there for hours though. That's garlic. I love garlic, bro. I love garlic, bro. That thing's so good, bro. It's so delicious. That joint fire, bro. Like I be saying, don't get me wrong, bro. I like going out to eat out, but it be overrated, bro. It be expensive. Cause I don't eat out like, oh, let's go to Cane's. I don't eat that stuff, bro. I don't eat that stuff, bro. You wouldn't catch me at no Cane's parking lot, no way. I don't eat like that, bro. I don't eat that type of stuff, bro. Don't get me wrong though, bro. Like I be saying, bro, they done found a way to make being healthy and eating healthy, bro, it's expensive now, bro. Papi, can you bring me some napkins, bro, please? Please? Thank you. Nah, it's cool. They don't find a way to being healthy, bro. They don't find a way to make it expensive, bro. But it beats going to a restaurant, bro. If you go to a restaurant, and if you go to an all-right restaurant, or even then, bro, people go to McDonald's, bro, they spend like 50, 60 bucks out there. Thank you, puppy. They be spending like 50, 60 bucks, bro, on meals, bro. It's getting crazy out here, right? But also, too, it's a big difference, bro, because, like, let's just say, for instance, I'm going to just keep it on me, right? I want to go to a steakhouse. I want to go somewhere nice, you know? I want to go somewhere nice. Thank you, baby. Ribeye, bro. You know what I'm saying? No, this is good, baby. Thank you. Can I get some salt, please? This is what champions eat, bruh. This what champions eat, bruh. Anyways, cause there's times, bro, my girl, she be shout out to my girl, bro. To my baby, that's my baby right there, that's my wife, you know. There's times that we go out to eat, bro, and like, don't get me wrong, bro, like I said, one of these pieces of ribeyes, bro, they be like, bro, they want like 80 bucks, bro. 80 bucks, bro, for a piece of meat. And like, don't get it twisted, bro. I always get two. So off the rip right there, that's 160 bucks, bro. So 160 bucks plus all the extra little sides, this and that, bro. And then whatever else, whatever the rest of the, either we just go, or like the rest of the fam or whatever they eat, bro, it'd be like 252, like, it'd be expensive, bro. So the way I be thinking is like, bro, we can just go make a good grocery haul and the whole family eat for the whole week, bro. But shout out to my girl, though. She's the one that be making it happen, bro. I'm not gonna lie, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Cook, clean, all that. And like I say, bro, I don't be eating all day, right? I don't be eating all day, bro, and I do my thing. I fast. You know, because today, the events that are gonna happen tonight, or not tonight, you know, we gotta take my son over here and stuff like that. So it's only a 22-hour fast, bro, but, because normally I do the, thank you, puppy. You know what I'm saying? Thank you, mijo. So, but yeah, man, I don't eat all day. For me, bro, when I eat, bro, it's spiritual, bro. It's spiritual because I'm nourishing my mind, my body first, but my mind and my soul with this, bro. I don't just eat with people, bro. I don't just eat with anybody, bro. Like, nah. When you share a meal, bro, that joint, at least for me, is sacred, bro. I don't just eat anything, and I don't just eat with anybody, bro. Nuh-uh. Not me. I only eat with family, bro. That's it. That's it. Or by myself, you know? Like I always say too, I like to eat my stuff from like medium well too well done, bro. I don't want no blood. I don't even like it. It's like my body, it don't digest good in my body, and that joint be messing me up. It be messing me up. And I just like it better, bro. Just the taste. For me, the taste, it's just, you know what I mean? Pecans, bro. Pecans, bro. That's the best. Best of the best, bro. Either pecans or pistachios. That's it. That's all I mess with, bro. Same meat. Cooked to perfection, bro. It's that far, bro. I'm saying. And this how I'm coming, bro. This how I'm coming, bro. It be discipline, bro, behind everything that I do, bro. Everything that I do, down to eating strict, down to the workout. Oh, and also too, I wanted to, bro, y'all make sure y'all check out the workout. You know, that's what I do on the day off. If I'm gonna take the day off, best believe, bro, I'm gonna be out there hitting the bag, jumping some rope, doing some push-ups, or what I did today. Y'all seen the workout, bro. It don't always gotta be all crazy, bro. You don't gotta go out here. You don't gotta go out here and do nothing, bro. I did 5 push-ups, 4 dips, and 4 pull-ups, bro. But yeah, this what I'm eating today, bro. This what I'm eating today. Let me hit y'all with it. Homemade mashed potato. The whatever they call those, bro, kebabs. I don't know, right? Boom. Some of that giant fruit and some ribeyes. Bad look, bad. Take care of yourself. Take care of your health, bro. It might cost a little bit extra chili, you know, nowadays. But bro, your health is the most important thing that you got, bro. So take care of yourself, take care of your kids, take care of your family. Go to sleep at the same time, wake up at the same time. Have you a structure? You know what I'm saying? Dedicate some time, bro. Push-ups is free, bro. Push-ups is free. Stop making excuses. And most important, build that connection with God, man. Y'all have a good one. Take care of your kids, your family, and